which is a program that is devised by the National Sheriff's Association, which incorporates the ancient notion of frank pledge. A. Bellman System. B. Citizens Volunteer Program. C. Neighborhood Watch. D. Either A or C. Answer: C. Neighborhood Watch. The offender who actively pursues a life of crime referred to: A. Career criminal. B. Terrorist. C. Informant. D. Professional criminal. Answer: A. Career criminal, which deals with selective law enforcement for a specific problem in the area. A. Tactical patrol. B. Horse patrol. C. Police patrol. D. Beat patrol. Answer: A. Tactical patrol. Girls see her mother as a rival for her father's attention is termed as: A. Oedipus complex. B. Electra complex. C. Mental retardation. D. None of the above. Answer: B. Electra complex. He developed the study of body build and criminal behavior, or somatotype school, which held that manifest distinct physiques that makes them susceptible to particular types of delinquent behavior. Answer: B. William Sheldon. Moral aspect of personality that judges our personality and is also known as the conscience. A. Id. B. Ego. C. Superego. D. All of the foregoing. Answer: C. Superego. Republic Act Number 9344, the most recent law that deals with youthful offenders whose age is 15 and below, is also known as: Answer: A. Comprehensive Juvenile Justice System. This theory considers delinquent behavior as a result of people's frustration and anger over their inability to achieve legitimate social and financial success. Answer: D. Strain theory. The PNP belongs to one of the most inspected and audited agencies of the government, where audit and inspection are handled by the following authorities: NAPOLCOM, Civil Service Commission, Internal Affairs Service, and Answer: C. Commission on Audit. This theory states that obedience to the norms of lower class culture places people in conflict with norms of the dominant culture. A. Theory of anomy. B. Strain theory. C. Differential association theory. D. Culture conflict theory. Answer: D. Culture conflict theory.